The outcome of a myocardial infarction depends on how much heart muscle dies, so speed of treatment is often critical. Knowing heart attack warning signs is key. Chest tightness or heaviness, extreme fatigue, pain in shoulders, neck, jaw, or arms, shortness of breath, sweating, lightheadedness, or nausea. If something feels amiss, don't delay. Do this. Call 911 or another emergency medical number. Don't drive yourself to the emergency room. Wait for EMTs who can begin treatment en route and alert the ER docs of your vitals. Take an aspirin. Chew it to speed the blood-thinning medicine more quickly into your bloodstream. And finally, be assertive in the emergency room. Your life could be at stake. Thank you for watching this video on our K.E.Y channel. If you have any question, please leave it out in the comments below. And make sure to watch more of our interesting videos covering a wide range of interesting topics. And subscribe for more K.E.Y videos.